Welcome to this new day. This is a morning meditation for clarity and positivity. Gently close your eyes and come in a comfortable seated position. And if you want to stretch a bit, you can do so by pointing your feet or raising your arms up and then gently relaxing them as your palms gently rest on your lap. If you don't feel like stretching, then you can choose to simply stay still. Take a gentle, deep breath in and sigh it out. Take another gentle, deep breath in and sigh it out. Observe how the pure, fresh air flows inside your body as you breathe in and how it relaxes your whole body as you breathe out. This is a new day, a day full of opportunities. So, as you gently bring yourself into wakefulness, ease into breathing softly, gently breathing in and gently breathing out. Notice any stiffness or tightness in any part of your body and allow the breath to soothe and relax that area of your body. Let the pure breath of fresh air gently ease every part of your body and ease away any tensions in any area of your body. If you notice any thoughts, simply observe them and then gently bring your awareness to your breath. Imagine your body and mind waking up and welcoming the day with love, clarity, and positivity. Imagine that each breath that you breathe in energizes your whole body and infuses you with positivity and clarity. And as you breathe out, exhale all the tension, all the fogginess in your mind and your body. Feel the energy of pure, fresh air moving through your whole body, traveling through every cell of your body, gently lifting you from sleep towards wakefulness. Take a gentle, deep breath in and gently breathe it out. And whenever you feel complete, gently open your eyes. Welcome to this new day, a new day of clarity and positivity. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभः निर्विघ्नं